Weed. I slow your reaction time and mess with memory in the moment. For some people, I also build dependence, so you start needing me just to feel normal. I'm cocaine. Faster, harder. I spike dopamine so you feel powerful, then I drop you into craving and crash. I'm alcohol. Lower your judgment. Work harder. I can shrink your self-control while I damage your organs. I'm meth. I push you toward dangerous heart strain, and I can drag you into paranoia and hallucinations.
I'm heroin, breathe slower. I train your body to chase me.
I'm fentanyl. I can stop breathing before you realize anything is wrong.
I'm prescription pain relief when misused. Your tolerance climbs, so you need more for the same effect.
I'm Benzos. Your body can become dependent fast.